The best gift you can give yourself is to be educated. Always strive for excellence, but don't compare yourself to others. Keep an open mind and never stop learning. Every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger. You are an incredible person and have so much to offer this world. Take control of your life. Be a leader. Embrace failure as an opportunity to grow and learn. You have the power to impact and inspire others. You are an outstanding student. You have a wonderful future ahead of you. Celebrate your victories, big or small.